Hey everyone, my name is Daniel Newman. I'm the video and webinar producer here at Wowza Media Systems, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to connect an IP camera with Wowza Streaming Engine. Just to note before we get started, I am going to be using this little Axis IP camera. You can use any IP camera you want to connect to Wowza Streaming Engine, but for today's purposes, this is what I'm going to be using. So before we get started, I do want to note that I currently have Wowza Streaming Engine up and running in the background, and I've also already logged into the Streaming Engine UI. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to navigate up to Applications, and I'm going to go to Live. We just want to verify a few things are set up before we actually connect to our IP camera. So we're just going to go to Source Security, and under RTMP sources, you're just going to want to make sure that you select Require Password Authentication. Sometimes by default it will select Open, but you're going to want to make sure to require some authentication there, otherwise anybody can connect to our stream. You also want to make sure to select No Client Restrictions under Client Restrictions. Once both of those are selected, you can hit Save. Next, we're just going to navigate up to Server, and you're going to go over to Stream Files. So once that's selected, you're just going to want to add a stream file, and you can name this stream anything you want to. So for today, I'm just going to call this the Stream of Destiny. Next, you're going to want to input the stream URI, and just to note, this is going to change based off of the IP camera that you're using. For today, I'm using an Axis camera, so I know that this is what my stream URI is going to look like. Also to note, this IP address is obviously going to change based off of the IP address that your camera is connected to. So we're going to add that. Once that's added, you're just going to return to Stream Files and make sure to connect that stream, which can be done by clicking on this icon right here that says Connect to this stream. You're just going to select the application live. If you did create a different application for this, you can just select that one depending on the stream that you created. And you're also going to want to make sure that under MediaCaster type to select RTP. Perfect. It says that it's successfully connected, so we can now just go back to Applications and test out that connection. Just go to Incoming Streams, and then we go to Test Players. And there it is, looking good. So as you can see, setting up an IP camera with Wowza Streaming Engine is a really easy process. All you really need to do is create that stream file, put in the URI, and it pretty much connects from there. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you, take care.